Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a Lego review on the Lotus evjia. This was the set I got early from Walmart. What can I prop this up on? Oh, perfect. Okay, we have Peanut in the background here. Don't mind her. Start off with the front. Now, those are printed pieces. Thank goodness they are printed. We'll go to the side. Hi Peanut. The way that Lego is redesigned this, where you can see where the air would go through for the, I forget what it's called. The rear, which weird looking, but still cool. Okay, so this does lift up. If I can grab it. There we go. Nothing really under there. Now here, that's the interior. I just keep the hair piece and the thing that pops the rims off in there so I don't lose it. Hi Peanut. Put the roof back on. But yeah, this is gonna be a short kind of review. To say. Hold up, I gotta take the thumbnail. Peanut, look here. Okay, I got that. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. We've gained 2 or 3 subscribers in the last week, which pretty good. So if you're wondering how I got the F-150 Lightning video and the Kia EV6, I got that when I went to the Philadelphia car show, which if you guys want to go there, too late, wait till next year. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. Peanut, you want to say bye to him? You want to say bye to him, Peanut, huh? Do ya? Do you, Peanut? Well, I guess she's gonna say bye to you. But yeah, this is the Lotus evjia. $20 Lego set. And I would advise buying it from lego.com because there's a double VIP going on. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. I am out. Here, say bye, Peanut.